Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Taurus for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So guys, take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages, Taurus. The first card. Ta-da-time. Ten of Cups. Wow, positive start. Wow, Ace of Wands. Two of Swords. Yeah. One person is very passionate about this connection and they want this happiness with this connection. Yeah, they are very passionate about you. But one person in this connection may be at some crossroads. They have to make some decision regarding this connection. One person is very passionate. Still, another person is also be interested but not taking decision. Yeah, they are unable to take decision. They are at some crossroads. It could be you or you person. Energy could be vice versa. So here you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some more. Then we will get more clarity. Ace of Swords, the Sun, Nine of Pentacles. Some communications from truth coming out, the Sun. Definitely one person want this connection and they seeing this connection as their life. Definitely they want this positive happiness with this connection, and the Sun is a very positive card in the whole deck, major arcana, and Nine of Pentacles. Definitely one person may be have to take decision between relationship and career. I'm getting, because Two of Swords with Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, they don't know what to choose because one side is career and other side is a relationship. But so let's see. For some only, for some, one person in this connection is stand their power, they are abundant, and maybe single also. For Hermit, the World, the Fool. Yeah, one person undergoing some spiritual awakening. I think the confusion person in this connection is undergoing some spiritual awakening. Your person could be Virgo. Definitely they are not talking to anyone. Yeah, and the World, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, and different states. The Fool. Yeah, I think after spiritual awakening, this person want to offer new beginnings and want to take leap of faith. Yeah, I think they want to come towards you after they financially stable. Once they get financially stable, that's why they want to come back to their person. So let's see some more cards. Judgment, Justice, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, so definitely I think you will get justice, Taurus, here. I think you cut them off. I think you cut your person off because they don't take decision within time. That's why you cut them off. But your person realize you both after spiritual awakening, they want second chance. Yeah, Judgment with Justice, they want second chance, Taurus. And Queen of Pentacles, now they want, I think the one person who always giving, sharing, everything, caring is you. But now your person want to take that responsibility. They want new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. Yeah, they want second chance, Judgment with Justice. But this is after spiritually awakening. So if it is not happen right now, you have to wait, because this is the future. Okay, so let's pull your person current feelings and near future action. Then we will get more clarity what is going on your correction right now. Okay, first card. Two cards I am not taking. Your person current feelings towards you, Taurus. Yeah, again, Two of Swords, it's you person have to take decision. Nine of Swords, lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Tower. Yeah, your person definitely very sad for the separation. If you are in separation or no contact, they are very sad. They're thinking highly about you day and night, especially all the time, especially at night times. They are not sleeping. And the Tower moment, definitely they are feeling this Tower moment after the separation. They have to make decision. Definitely this time they have to. In past they didn't. They just, okay, I will. That's time gone. Now time is coming Time is came. Definitely they want to take action and they want to take decision also. So let's see what the near future actions towards you, Taurus. Your person near future actions towards you. 8 of Wands, communication, 9 of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, 2 of Pentacles. Definitely they are juggling. In mind also, their mind says one, heart says another thing. Definitely they want to listen what mind says and what brain's heart says. Then they have to take decision. Okay. I think they will choose you because they want second chance. I'm getting Fool is here. Definitely they want new beginnings. Most of you, your person will choose you. Definitely they will express their feelings to you because 8 of Wands is here. Definitely communication. You will get some communication from your person and 9 of Wands. They don't want to give up in this connection at any cost. In this type, 9 of Wands has different meanings. Sometimes they are guarded up. Sometimes even they don't want to give up. In this reading, definitely your person don't want to give up. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Then we will get more clarity from universe. Yeah, 6 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles. From another deck, 7 of Cups, Strength. Your person could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, especially Leo. Yeah, 7 of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely you both want success in this connection. And 7 of Cups with 7 of Pentacles. Definitely you both, I think one person invest in this connection already. It's you, Taurus. I think your person may be fantasizing about you a lot. Yeah, they want success in this connection. They are getting their power back and they are gaining all their power back to come towards you and offer this new beginnings. Definitely now they also want to invest in this connection. 7 of Pentacles. Definitely 6 of Wands, success. They want success in this connection. Yeah. For some, you both want, your person want to balance the two. It's career and you. It is okay if it is a third party, it is not okay. Okay. But some communication you will get. Definitely your person want reconciliation because the judgment visit, they want second chance, but still they are at some confusion. Your person wants second chance, but still they are in some confusion state, I am getting. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Taurus, the Magician, 3 of Wands, and 5 of Pentacles. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Magician. I think you are manifesting something in your life. Definitely something big. You may be manifesting your person back. And 3 of Wands, definitely you turn your back from your person and you are waiting for your person reaction and you are waiting for your person to take action towards you. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. Something traveling is involved in this connection. And 5 of Pentacles. Definitely in past your person may be showing some cold shouldering. That's why you walked away. Our energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Earth energy. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, and Princess of Wands. 9 of Cups. Yeah, communication. They want to express their feelings to you. Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords. Definitely they want to give clarity this time. Your person, I think your person will get clarity. Yeah, they will make some decision regarding this connection because 2 of Swords and 2 of Pentacles. In near future, definitely your person will take some decision and will get clarity and they will express their feelings to you. Yeah, they will get clarity. And they will communicate the decision to you. Yeah. 9 of Cups, definitely they are wishing for this connection. Definitely they want success in this connection, but still they are in some confusion state because 7 of Cups is in some confusion. They want you and they want their career also. If it is okay, but if it is third party, please think again before taking any decision. Okay. So you or your person put a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and please do support me, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.